If you want to grow your email list fast, I mean really fast, there are only three things you need to get right: your offer, your traffic, and your opt-in experience. Let's break that down in tactical terms. First, your offer. People don't give away their email address just because you ask nicely. You need a lead magnet that solves a specific, high-value problem in minutes. Think a one-page cheat sheet, a 5-minute video, a checklist, not a 48-page ebook no one will finish. The more specific and instantly usable, the better. And it has to match the mindset of the visitor. If someone is searching for how to get more Instagram followers, don't offer them a general marketing PDF. Give them the 3-post Instagram content plan that gets followers in 24 hours. That's what converts. Second, your traffic source. You don't need 10 traffic sources. You need one that matches your audience's intent. If you're B2B, consider running a LinkedIn or Google search ad straight to your lead magnet. If you're B2C, use Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, and link to your opt-in in the bio or comments. Also, don't ignore collaborations. Partner with a creator, co-host a webinar, or do a giveaway, and you can double your list in 1 week. Third, the opt-in experience. Make subscribing feel easy and worthwhile. Keep the form short. Name and email is enough. Your headline should highlight the benefit, not just describe the download. So instead of free PDF 10 email marketing tips, write, grab the 10 email tweaks that got me to 45% open rates. Also, don't dump people into a dead end after they subscribe. Send them to a thank you page with a micro upgrade or quick win. This increases perceived value and makes your list sticky. Bonus tip: use exit intent and scroll boxes. If someone is about to leave your site, offer your lead magnet with a pop-up, but make it smart, not annoying. And if they scroll 60% down a blog post, that's high intent. Use that moment to show your opt-in form. Wrap up. Most people try to grow their list by putting a form in the footer and hoping someone scrolls. That doesn't work anymore. You need an irresistible offer, a focused traffic strategy, and a smooth, conversion-optimized experience. If you found this helpful and want more advanced strategies like this, hit subscribe or grab the free checklist linked below. Let's grow smart, not slow.